Well, to be frank, when we are shooting, we are really caught up with so many, since everyone knows so many television actors, it doesn't leave us with much time. We are working at least 14 hours a day, and all in all, we are outside our house for 16 hours. But that time, I think what we can only do is especially follow a diet. And if I pack up early, definitely I try to go to the gym. But now that I am, not shooting at the moment, I'm at the moment doing a dance class because it's very good cardio. I think nothing can beat dance if you want to do cardio. And secondly, I'm also do gymming, which is a little bit of training. Like my training is called functional training, so it's a little bit of weights, and it's at the same time a lot of free hand exercises, and it's more with your body weight. Yeah, it is very tough. That's what I was saying. Like, there are very big chances that you can get very burnt out when you work in television. But first of all, I think your biggest mantra should always be that be happy, keep laughing, keep smiling. That's the best medicine. And when I'm not shooting, I like to usually, take a massage, or I like to watch movies, divert my mind, or probably I just like to be in bed all day and just watch TV. Well, I had to learn it the very hard way. I've learned a very hard lesson. And this is what I have been saying in many of my interviews also, especially with women, that you're right, because I had a few health problems which I was not aware of. Because here we are not very used to taking our blood tests very often. Like if you go abroad, like with them, it is a regular check. But with us, we just get busy in our lives and we forget. And since I never used to take my blood tests often, I did not even know what are problems I'm suffering from. So now I make it a point to always take blood tests every 2-3 months, and even if there is anything, I don't try to do self-medication, because sometimes आपको लगता है कोई चीज़ छोटी है, but it really becomes something big, because it happened with me. I didn't even know I had thyroid. I didn't know I'm suffering from thyroid from so many years. Maybe I could have prevented it that time. So yeah, I definitely believe prevention is better. My dad though is a big big time into meditation and into Reiki and art of living. I have parents who are totally into all this, but I know it's very important, but it's just that at the moment the way my life is, it's so hectic, it doesn't leave me with too much time. But of course for you guys, meditation, yoga, all these things are very important. Well, as I told you, first of all, everything is with the mind. Like, you need to have a healthy mind to have a healthy lifestyle. First of all, you need to keep yourself happy, because a happy you can keep everyone else happy around you. If you are only not happy, you can't spread happiness to your family, to your loved ones, no one. So these are things that you only can help yourself. And secondly, yes, I believe that definitely one activity a day is very important. And eating right, as they say, abs are made in the kitchen. Like, all of us are foodies, but yeah, it's good to follow a good diet also. And yes, please, please, please keep doing your health checkups. That's a must, because I'm telling you guys from my own lesson. I have learned a hard lesson.